Hello you guys, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to make solid granny squares. Make sure you subscribe for more crochet videos. Thank you. Hello you guys and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to make a solid granny square with no gaps. I'm going to be doing mine with a half double crochet, but you can also do this with a single crochet or a double crochet, and I'll tell you how to do that when we get started. So you need to stay with me for at least the first and second row. I'm going to be going 3 rows into this granny square, but you need to go at least get to the second row before, because we do something a little different. So you can start with a magic ring or a chain 3. I'm going to be doing a chain 3. So with my slip knot on my hook, I'm going to do 3 chains. I'm also using a 5mm hook and cotton, worsted weight cotton yarn. 2, 3. Going into that first chain I made, I'm going to pull my string through, making a slip knot. So now I have this little hole here. I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to place 3 half double crochets in this hole. So yarning over, go inside, pull up a string, have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3, show you once more, yarn over, insert hook inside the hole, pull up my yarn, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 3, and then I'm going to do 1 more. Okay, so I just did 3 half double crochets, and then I'm going to put a double crochet next. And this is going to be my corner. So just like with the half double crochet, I have 3 on my hook. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. That is my double crochet. Now if you're doing single crochets, you would do single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, 3 single crochets, and then a half instead of a double. If you're doing doubles, you would do 3 double crochets and then a triple crochet. And that's so if whatever you're doing, you're just going to go up 1 for the corners. So for me, I have 3 halves and a double. I'm going to place 3 more half double crochets in this loop. And then I'm going to place a double crochet. And then I'm going to place 3 more half double crochets. And then a double crochet. Three more half double crochets. This will be our last side. And then a double. Here's what it should look like. Now I'm going to go into that first half double crochet I made. We have 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go into this one and do a slip stitch. So you can just slip stitch and just pull through, but I am actually going to change my color. So if you want to change your color, you'll just put your string through. You can cut this one, and with my other color, I will pull through with this color. And then I'm going to chain 1, with these strings, I'm going to keep them back here and I'm going to crochet them in. So right now we're inside the first half double crochet we made at that other row. I want you to yarn over. If I think I said, oh yeah, we chained one, sorry. So in this space that we're already in, we're going to yarn over and do a half double crochet. And then in the next one, we're going to do another half double crochet. And then another half double crochet. So that is 3 half double crochets. And we're at this double. In the double, we're going to place 2 half double crochets, 1 double crochet, and 2 halves. If you're doing single crochets, you'll do 2 halves. If you're doing singles, you'll do 2 singles, 1 half, and 2 singles. If you're doing double crochets, you'll do 2 double crochets, 1 triple, and 2 doubles. So for mine, I'm doing 2 half double crochets, all in this same stitch, and then a double, and then 2 halves. That is our corner. And then we have 3 half double crochets right here until we meet the next double crochet. I'm going to do a half double crochet in each of these next 3. Here I am at the double crochet corner. I'm going to do 2 half double crochets, a double, and then 2 more halves. And that is how we'll make every corner for every row. So you'll have 7 half double crochets in the middle and 2, and then that'll go up by 4 every row. And then I'll just keep this going for the remainder of this row, and I'll see you when you're done, and we'll do row 3 together. Here I am at the end of row 2. This is my double crochet. I wanted to mention this also, especially if you're a beginner. So this stitch right here, I used to go into this stitch all the time. This is our slip stitch that we use to combine our other row. So you're not counting wrong, you didn't add an extra stitch. I just want to point that out because I used to always do that. This is our last stitch of our row, our double crochet. And I'm just going to place the 2 halves, 1 double, and 2 more halves. And then I'm going to slip stitch into the first half double crochet of row 2, and I'm going to add my next color. Now at row 3, we are inside the first half double crochet. I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to go in and do a half double crochet. And then I'm going to do half double crochets until I get to my double crochet at the corner. Once I get to the corner, I'm going to do the exact same thing as before. I'm going to do 2 halves, one double, and 2 halves. Once we're done with the corner, we have 7 half double crochets in between each of our double crochets. So I'm going to half double crochet in the next 7 stitches. Once we get down to the corner, we will do our 2 half double crochets, then a double, and 2 more halves. And we will continue this until the very end. To end row 3, once you complete these 7 half double crochets in between, we'll be at our corner. And we're going to do our corner. Just wanted to show you because this is not our last stitch like the previous row, and that's going to happen from now on. We'll be left with 2 half double crochets. That is it. This is our granny square. I think it came out quite lovely. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!